Alright guys, we got another fun one today. This is one of my favorite knives anyway. The Winkler knives. Forget what they called this one actually, but I love it. And the steel is, so just so you guys can see, is the belt knife. That's right. Winkler knives, belt knife, and these are with ADCRV2. That's it. And this is a black oxide coating. And I've already sharpened it, but today, well, last time, let me just give you the backstory. Last time I put a very toothy one stone edge on it with a 220 sharp awl, just to get it really toothy, you know. It was not cutting rope too well. And I have since stropped it with a 1 micron strop, so it definitely cuts paper pretty good now. That's not what I really wanted to cut though. I wanted to cut some rope for testing just to see how hard it was to get through the rope. Because I've already gotten through it pretty well with the S45VN and S90V tests. So I had a standard for how fast it should get through the rope. And that was slow in comparison to what I was used to. Like, it's definitely toothy and it splits those hairs as you go through. I'm not complaining about that. I just think that this knife is the one I tested and resharpened with the same 600 grit pattern. See, I've only barely done anything. It's already halfway through. And boom. And boom. And boom, right? So I find that even if I use more of the blade, it still takes longer. It doesn't get through it the same. So there's a feeling there. And I just want to put the same edge that I've put on my S45VN with a 650 resin bonded diamond stone that I use, and leave it without stropped to begin with. And then from there, we'll see how much we have to do to the blade itself and see how much better it cuts through. We're going to pull out our 220 sharp awl that we normally use, and inside that is the second stone we're going to use, at least I think. One of the two. Yes, so 650. This is a KDTU hybrid diamond stone, resin bonded. Put this to the side. So we're going to use that afterwards. I'm just going to put it right back in the box. We'll start with our 220 sharp awl, and we're going to reprofile from the beginning.